now we're going to walk through the changing the wallpaper. If you have the same controls, then you should be able to just hit menu, and then you're gonna scroll down to settings, and then you're gonna scroll down to, you would think it's display adjustment. It is not. It's not display change, it's wallpaper, right? Select, and then you can select a wallpaper, either your clock or if you have images that you have imported. If you have not imported images, you would have to hook up something to your USB port to import the images. Once you import the images, they should show up there once you go to select after you've imported them. Okay, I'll see if I can find me a flash drive if you need me to walk you through that a little more, but I think that's pretty much it. Once you set it, you would select it, and then it should be your wallpaper. So on this one, it's just the clock for right now. There's color themes though too, as you can see: blue, red, amber, gray. I don't know, this is a 2019, so it might be a little different on 2018. If it is, let me know and we'll try to figure it out. Thanks.